Remove all parts from the box and check if there are any parts missing. Firstly, open up the slats and attach the headboard to the slats. Then, attach the footboard to the slats. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your single-size bed frame. Now for the queen-size bed frame. Remove all parts from the box and check if there are any parts missing. Attach the legs to the both half of the slats using JCB screw and Allen key. Then, attach both half of the slats into the support legs. Attach the headboard and footboard to the slats. Finally, adjust the stopper of the legs until it evenly touches the floor. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your queen-size bed frame.